Hi, my name is Jim Kirker, and this is part two of the Android sneak peek. I've gotten a lot done. Um, it's ready for testing now. So I'm going to go ahead and spend tomorrow and try to create a Google App Store account and create the package and create a group of testers and send them the email notification. Let's go ahead and fire it up. This is running on a Pixel 10 Pro XL that I bought on Amazon. It's used, so I got it for a lot cheaper. You can see the camera thing on the back. And let's see. Okay, so this will be a fresh install. We'll start fresh. I changed this to cards. It's just a lot easier to select with. And we'll select an external file. This backup file has a little error in it with the Jocko Ghost image. So I have to go back and maybe fix the backup part. All right, so it says restore complete. See if we can go back to home. There we go. 107 games. Yeah, the colors are different on the home screen. What were they on the? All right, they're supposed to be indigo, I think. They're more vibrant. This eggplant here, stats by Joe Slowinski, is more purple-like. We got notes. This is just the way it looks. I can't really show you how it looks on the phone. I can't really show you how it looks on the phone because I don't know how to record the phone screen. So I'm showing you how it looks on the simulator. Yeah, search notes. I'm not going to search. We could tap wherever and dismiss the keyboard. We get import a photo. So yeah, you got edit, delete. I'm not going to do this for every single one of these modules, but the balls have been done. I've gone through the bowling balls, the ball stats, recent games, the add, edit. I was trying to hit this one or retire. The search. That all works. I could bail out the keyboard just by tapping anywhere outside the search box. Same thing with patterns. I'm not going to demonstrate again. I got the coaching hooked up. I know it looks slow here in the simulator, but it's really fast on the phone. Bowling centers. I'm not. I didn't hook that up. Oh, okay. This is what you're waiting for. Block one, game one. I've been messing around with this one, game one, testing it. Choose my bowling ball. Okay, so it saved that logic. And then, of course, I picked it up. And then I get the real-time frame analysis. Let's see. No, we'll do a strike real quick. Sheet dismisses. Congratulations, you got a strike. This is interesting. I could change to linear view if I want, or I can go back and just change to advanced view. The AI, I got this straightened out so that all the cards are the same size. The oil pattern, I can stretch this. I'll use the physical phone to do it. Or I can compress it. Yeah, you think it'd be better than this. All right, there it goes. Okay, I'm supposed to be scrolling up, scrolling down. Let's use the phone. Oh, that's not good. Okay, I want to view the history. No notes. There. I got 3 games, fake games, and I'm just using fake ball, so the history looks correct. And we're gonna close this. The old pattern sticky note. It actually works. I tested it. And then the sticky note. So yeah, that's it. I'm really surprised I got this far. The physical phone testing was essential. I thought I had it perfect on the simulator, and I was so far off. I mean, I spent most of the day like rescaling all the objects, and it was a pain in the ass. But it's ready to ship for testers. I don't have the camera stuff working yet, but the testers don't need the camera stuff yet. Um, I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but I went through this pretty good today, and I fixed every single bug that I found. And I looked at the physical phone. I mean, and to me, like the sizing looks correct. Damn. The sizing, the UI form factor looks correct to me. So I'm pretty happy with this Google Pixel 10 Pro. It's pretty quick. And Android seems pretty cool. I'm starting to like Android because I get freedom to choose the UI designs, where I'm not stuck or forced into using how Apple envisions it, like listing out records in cards. Apple wants to put a blue background when you select something, which basically means they want you to use a pure text list view item instead of being able to create your own list view, your custom vision. So yeah, Android, more creative freedom as far as speed and stuff like that goes. Um, yeah, it's pretty quick. I'm surprised at how fast this phone is actually. Um, it's just that when connected to the IDE and the debugger, it was starting to get jittery, so I had to think about it for a couple more seconds. But overall, I'm pretty happy with Android. To me, when I look at Android versus iOS, what's kind of weird is Apple has a special relationship with Google, where Google pays Apple $24 billion a year to make Google the default search engine, and they exchange a lot of technology with each other. So I was really surprised at how fast I was able to set up this Pixel 10 Pro XL phone, and how Google was able to pull across all of the Apple stuff and basically create an identical phone for me in Android. That was quite amazing. And I think it's because of this special relationship. So I'm pretty stoked I picked the Pixel 10 by Google because I feel like I'm getting the most out of this special relationship. And the other thing is Google Android is supposed to be more preemptive with AI. Like instead of having you press a button, it makes suggestions automatically. So that's going to be kind of interesting to try out. All right, that's it for the preview. You guys have a great night. Kirk out.